Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. So first tell me how are you all, and I'm really sorry that I missed like 3 videos. So just to make it up, I'll be filming 6 videos back to back for you guys till Choti Diwali 6th of November. And on the 6th of November there's gonna be a huge giveaway Diwali ke upalaksh mein. So make sure you watch the whole series because it's gonna be connected, So I'm just gonna create this look using very affordable makeup products for you guys, and I'm pretty sure if you're a beginner you will get this, because I think I'll always stay a beginner when it comes to makeup, because I just know a few techniques that I use every time and mix and match it, and I just hope that it works. So yeah, without further ado, let's go to the video. So first of all, I moisturize my face with this Lakme Peach Milk 15 to 20 minutes prior, and then I start my makeup. Okay, so first I apply my primer to smoothen the skin, especially in the areas which have bigger pores and where makeup tends to get all cakey, as under eyes, nose and forehead. Then just blending it all over my face. Applying Vaseline on my lips so that when I apply lipstick later, it doesn't get all chappy. Now, as it's a festive makeup look, I thought of applying some shimmer powder by MyGlamm before applying my foundation so that my skin looks more glowy. For the foundation, I am using Nykaa's one. Exact shade you can find in description box below. Just taking 2 pumps and applying evenly on my face and neck area. Using this kabuki brush from Colorbar to blend all in. This brush is a must have, I tell you guys. Now it's time to conceal, using LA Pro Girl for concealing. This is just an amazing concealer, you guys. I love it. I recently started using it and it's amazing. Applying it on my nose, under eyes and some on other discolored areas. Blending in with the same brush and using my fingers to dab and just to give the final touches. Compact. I'm almost finished with my second pack. You see, it just blends in your skin very easily, plus it's not so expensive, so I love it. let's do the eyebrows now. I do my eyebrows using the eyebrow powder again by MyGlamm, but first I'm gonna brush my brows using a clean mascara brush. It makes a lot of difference. You can see it already, I guess. Just gonna darken my brows and blend it properly with the mascara brush, and ta-da! It's done! Using the rose gold brick palette from Makeup Revolution. Look at its color though. Using these shades to contour my face, just make a fish face and do it. And I'm really sorry for the sick voice, but I'm having cold and cough, so using the third shade to do my eyeshadow. I think it looks good. The most difficult part is here, the eyeliner. Let's do it. Now using my kajal on the upper waterline, as it make your eyes look bigger and more awake. Now using the same palette for the highlighter. Done. Now comes my favorite part, eyelash drama. Using this mascara by Gigi Hadid's collection. It has normal mascara on the one side and fibers on the other to give your lashes more volume. Look how gorgeous it looks. Oh my god. Applying some blush to give some color and make my skin look more hydrated. For the lipstick, I'm using Nykaa Ultra Matte in the shade Monalisa. This is just a gorgeous shade, guys, and the texture and everything is awesome. It's totally matte and it does not leave your lips dry. So yeah. So that was it for the video. I really hope you liked this look and found this tutorial helpful. I'll link all the makeup products that I have used in the description box below. Also, I just want to tell you that these brushes are so damn good and very cheap. I got these from Shein. So yeah, I'll link that below too. So make sure you check it out. If you think it was helpful, so make sure you share it with your best friend and comment down below if you also love this hairstyle as much as I do. I got this hairpin from Sarojini Nagar. You can get this on H&M and Forever 21 also, but they charge like, obviously these are overpriced there. So yeah, make sure you like this video, leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel because you know it's free and you can do it for me. Like इतना तो कर सकते हैं, मेरा दिवाली गिफ्ट समझ के दे दो and press the bell notification button also if you like my content because you'll get to know यार कभी भी मैं कोई भी वीडियो डालूंगी तो. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.